Hello everyone, Akanksha here. Let's make this quick and easy card in just 2 minutes. We can add this as an element to scrapbooks or greeting cards. This is eyelid puncher. It is used to punch holes and also fix eyelids. The purpose of eyelids is to protect the paper from tearing. This also adds beauty to the card. I have decorated it with few stickers and butterflies. And the circle gatefold card is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe for more videos. Bye.